I can tell a lot of people are having a hard time making money on the internet. These are the people that are watching this video right now, and you're sick and tired of wasting your time on videos that are not worth it. Well, don't worry, it's not your fault, you just haven't been shown the right way to make money online. In this video, I will show you a simple yet effective way to make an extra $200, $500, or even up to $1,000 in passive income using this method. All you have to do is set it up and it can run for you 24/7, so you can just start earning money while you sleep. In this video, I'll show you a full step-by-step tutorial about how to set up this amazing income stream. So make sure to watch this video until the end because I will also be dropping some hidden tips and tricks that you can use to maximize this method's earnings. Like most of the videos that I upload, this one is 100% free, and you will not be needing any credit cards or online banking accounts to start making money with this method. This also works worldwide, so no matter where you are watching from, you'll be able to use this method to generate an online income. But before we get into it, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers. So for this video today, I want you to go to this website right here called CreativeLive. You can go there easily by clicking on the address bar of your web browser and entering creativelive.com. We'll be using CreativeLive to generate between $200 and $1,000 in passive revenue, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Now, before we carry on with the video, I'm interested to know which country are you guys watching from right now? Please leave a comment down below saying which country you're watching from. So how does CreativeLive work? Well, CreativeLive offers a variety of training and classes. So if I simply click on this classes button right here, you can see a variety of class types. CreativeLive offers a variety of lessons including business, Photoshop classes, and so much more. There are so many classes that people can actually study on CreativeLive, and don't worry, this is a completely free technique and you will not have to invest any money and you won't have to take any courses. But basically what we'll be doing on this website is referring other people and promoting the classes. As a result, other people will purchase the classes on CreativeLive, and this is a win-win situation, since you can earn a lot of money by referring other people to these professional programs. And those people you refer can also enjoy and begin learning a lot on CreativeLive. So first and foremost, you should go to this webpage and go all the way down to the bottom to find the portion that says Join Us Now. You want to look for this link right here that says Become an Affiliate. And under that part, you just want to click on it. You will be redirected to another website where you can locate your CreativeLive's affiliate program, which states that you may make money by linking your audience to this amazing content on the website. Now, the reason we're using CreativeLive and not another website is because they give a 30% commission on every customer sale. If we compare that to most of the websites that provide affiliate marketing opportunities, 30% is a very large fee, especially given that this website provides a lot of good value and has a good reputation, which makes selling their services much easier. And they also have a broad choice of classes and courses that you can advertise, making it flexible and providing you with several earning potential, but it doesn't end there. You can earn a commission on any purchases made by referred consumers within 30 days of their first click. So let's say, for example, you're promoting this class right here, which is priced at $29. You can earn 30% of that $29, and for the next 30 days from your referral customer, if that person ends up buying any other class, you will still get 30% from all the classes that they will buy during that first 30 days. And based on my personal experience, a lot of customers come on CreativeLive and make other purchases because the classes are very professional. But make sure that you guys keep watching the video until the end because I will show you the steps to do this method correctly and start making money. I will also show you a way of how to drive traffic to your affiliate link so you can end up finding good customers with targeted audiences. I'm just going to show you how much earning potential there is here on CreativeLive. So if you go ahead and click on this class button right here and look for the option All Classes, you'll be sent to this website that contains all of CreativeLive's lessons. Now, CreativeLive features over 1,000 classes in various categories. You can use these categories to drive visitors to specific classes. And one feature that I really like about this website is that you can send people to some free classes, free courses and trainings. And if the people you referred actually like the free training and they think it gives a good value, they will be more likely to start purchasing other classes on the website to get more premium and more professional value. So if we go ahead and click on one of the courses right here, we can see more information about the online class. So we can just go ahead and watch their video, since most of the classes that are on this website have an overview video that provides major elements of the class so clients can know what they are purchasing. We can see how much this class costs in total and how much they would charge monthly on the side, as well as all the data about this course, who the author is, and if we scroll down, we can even find reviews and client testimonials about this course. One of the few tips that I'm gonna give you is look at the reviews. If a class has a lot of reviews and good ones, that means that the class tends to sell a lot. So you can just read these testimonials, and if you see that a lot of people are given nice ones, you may have a larger possibility of people buying that class. Another suggestion is to stick to popular categories. For example, Adobe Photoshop. That's just one of the examples of the most popular categories on the web. Anyways, I'm gonna show you several ways for getting free visitors so that you can have a better possibility of getting people to purchase the classes. But wait, before I get to that, I'd like to remind you that we have more videos on our channel on how to make money online. The goal of this channel is to teach you how to generate an online passive income stream to reach financial freedom. I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos to ensure that each one of these methods work. So I would appreciate it, guys, if you go ahead and subscribe, hit also the notification bell, and don't forget to leave us a like and a comment down below. Now let's carry on with the video. One extremely successful approach to gain free traffic is to go to twitter.com and sign up for a free account. Basically, what you want to do on Twitter is to search for focused traffic. That's very easy with Twitter because many people tweet their questions. Therefore, if you simply search for how to use Adobe Photoshop, for example, we can view all the tweets containing these terms. And because the course we are promoting is on Adobe Photoshop, these are the targeted audiences we want. So you can simply reach out to these folks and react to their tweets, recommending them to take free courses on CreativeLive and paste in your affiliate link. After taking free courses, the customer may get interested in other courses and possibly purchase some, allowing you to earn a commission. So go ahead and start talking with people on Twitter, and remember, be patient because it will absolutely pay off at the end. Another wonderful website to use for focused traffic is Quora. What we'll do on Quora is quite similar to what we did before on Twitter, because we'll search for the question of how to use Adobe Photoshop. Now, a lot of different threads will appear, and you can simply choose one and leave a comment similar to what you did on Twitter. And if people utilize your affiliate link and purchase courses on CreativeLive, you can start earning commissions, like 30% as we said before. Another excellent technique is to use Facebook. Now, use the Facebook search function to look for graphic design groups, for example. Now that these groups have thousands of targeted individuals, you can just join them and make a post saying something like, "Hey guys, most people are actually using Adobe Photoshop the wrong way, and you can learn how to use it the right way by checking out this free course here." And then you can include your affiliate link, and once those people start to check out CreativeLive, they will be more inclined to purchase the course. Of course, you are not restricted to graphic design. You can use other categories as well. Just for the sake of this video, I used Adobe Photoshop to show you guys an example. All you have to do now is try to find the right audience using these traffic sources that I shared with you. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever we post new content on the channel, which is daily. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.